How do I accept pending payments on Cash App?
Hello and welcome to this video. Today, we are going to discuss how to accept pending payments on Cash App. This is a common issue that many Cash App users face, and by the end of this video, you will have a clear understanding of how to handle these pending payments. Let's get started.
What is a pending payment on Cash App?
A pending payment on Cash App usually indicates that there is an action required from you to finalize the transaction. This might be because the sender is new to you, the transaction amount is significant, or for other security reasons. Pending payments are a way for Cash App to ensure your safety.
Where can I see my pending payments?
You can see your pending payments directly from your Cash App dashboard. Simply log into your account and look for a section or notification indicating that you have pending payments.
How to accept pending payments?
Here are the step-by-step instructions to accept pending payments. 1. Open the Cash App on your mobile device. 2. Navigate to the Activity tab by clicking on the clock icon located at the bottom right corner of the screen. 3. Here, you will see all your transaction history. Look for any payments marked as pending. 4. Click on the Pending Payment. This will open the payment details. 5. There should be an Accept button for any pending payments. Click on it. 6. A pop-up window will appear asking for your confirmation to accept the payment. Click on Confirm. 7. The money should then move from pending status to your Cash App balance. Remember, always double-check the sender and amount before accepting any pending payments to avoid scams or mistakes.
What if I can't see an Accept button?
If you don't see an Accept button, it might be due to several reasons. The payment might have been canceled by the sender, or there could be a glitch in the system. If you're unsure, you can reach out to Cash App support to help clarify the issue. And that's it. You now know how to accept pending payments on Cash App. Remember, always ensure the safety of your transactions and don't hesitate to reach out to support if needed. I hope this video was helpful, and thank you for watching. Until next time, stay safe and keep exploring all the features of your Cash App.